The body scan encompasses all aspects of what it takes to practice mindfulness: patience, discipline, and commitment. Close your eyes and bring your awareness into your body. Note the anatomical structure and weight of your body. And take a few deep breaths. Notice the sensation of your feet: pressure, temperature, vibration. Scan upwards into your legs. Observe your legs: tingling, heaviness, lightness. Scan upwards into your trunk: abdomen, lower back, chest, upper back. And with each exhale, release any tightness, tension, or discomfort in this area of the body. Place your attention on your shoulders, arms, and hands. Is this area of your body rigid or tight? If so, allow it to release and relax. Soften your neck, throat, jaw, and facial muscles. Now observe your body as a whole. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Please share my content with your network and subscribe to learn more about human performance optimization. As a human, you're a performer. Thank you for joining the mission.